Hello everybody. Today we are going to speak about adjectives. I will try to explain you adjectives, most common adjectives in Kurdish. You will see some easy sentences to understand adjectives better. So we can start. Our first adjective is dalal, badaw. It means beautiful or nice, and it is mostly used for females. And I have an example. I said, Daika min jinaka dalal badawa. It means my mother is a beautiful woman. Daika min jinaka dalal badawa. Next one is qashang. It means handsome. It is used for males. And I have an example. It says, Brayewe mereki qashanga. Her brother is a handsome man. Brayewe mereki qashanga. Next one is kret makruh. It means ugly. I have a really bad example, but nothing to do. So let's read. لزاننجه حوالي كما كريت هبو. We had an ugly friend at the university. لزاننجه حوالي كما كريت هبو. Next one is Petruk. It means small, little. And for example, you can use this adjective as خوش كامنا بچوك دچه دبستانه. My little sister goes to the school. خوش كامنا بچوك دچه دبستانه. My little sister goes to school. And you can use these adjectives like for everything. For example, it can be a house, it can be a city, a village, or a phone. I mean, something small like Mala Pchuk, it will be a small home. Bajare Pchuk, a small city, etc. Next one is Mazin. It means big. And my example is Mala Bave min geliki mazine. My father's home is very big. Mala Bave min geliki mazine. Next one is Haesung. It means easy. So I have an example. I said أو برسكة هيسامبو. It was an easy question. أو برسكة هيسامبو. Next one is زحمت. It means difficult. For example, you can use these adjective as أزمون قلك زحمت بو. The exam was really difficult. أزمون قلك زحمت بو. And we have pakish. It means clear. For example, you can use these. For example, Istanbul ne bajareki pakije. Istanbul is not a clear city. Istanbul ne bajareki pakije. And we have gran. It means heavy. So for example, you can say Chantewi grane. His bag is heavy. Chantewi grane. Or we have civic. It means light. You say barimin civike. Like my load is light. Barimin civike. And next one is Juan. It means young. And we are young. I'm Juanan. We are young. And next one is Pierre Kal. I have a note. I said this adjective is used for people. Pierre mostly for females, Kal for males. But it is also fine to use Pierre for both genders. Yes, it means old Pierre or Kal. Bavi min mereki Pierre. My father is an old man. Or you can say Bavi min mereki Kale. But we don't say Diamond Jineke Kale. It's a bit strange. I mean, Peer for both genders, but Kal for males. And we have new, it means new. For example, Makhani Kinu Kri. We bought a new house. Makhani Kinu Kri. New. We have Gring, it means important. For example, Ev Majareke Gelek Gringe. This is a very important subject. Ev Majareke Gelek Gringe. Gring means important. Next one is Navdar. It means famous. Bakhtiyar Ali Niviskariki Navdare. Bakhtiyar Ali is a famous writer. Bakhtiyar Ali Niviskariki Navdare. Niviskar means writer. And Jir Jihati Zirek. It means smart, intelligent, hardworking. For example, I have an example. I said Khandakarin min Jihatine. My students are intelligent. And the Azad, it means free. So I have an example. I said Am Azadan, we are free. To Azadi, you are free. Aw Azade, he, she is free. دولمند, it means rich. Like you can say أو نجن ديكي دولمند. He is not a rich villager. أو نجن ديكي دولمند. And we have خزان بلنغاس فقير, which means poor. And I wrote لباجارن قلق كسن بلنغاس هنا. There are many poor people in cities. لباجارن قلق كسن بلنغاس هنا. And برشي, it means hungry. As برشي ما هند كارن قتك نيم بدن من. It means I'm hungry. Can you give me a piece of bread? Yes. Tear, it means full. Like أستيرم من مالي خوارن خوار. I'm full. I ate at home. أستيرم من مالي خوارن خوار. Germ, it means hot, warm. Merdin bajareki germe. Merdin is a hot city. Merdin bajareki germe. And we have Sar Gemini, it means cold. Like if you are really cold, you can say min Sare, I am cold. And these Sar, it is used with oblique pronoun. Like look at min Sare, not as Sare. It's min Sare, like it is cold to me, min Sare. Or you can say aveke Sara, aveke Gemini, it means a cold water. And yes, that's all. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope we will see next week as well. Have a good time. Bye bye.